Hi, welcome to Adventures with Captain Ray Kelly. We're here in Lake Park, Florida, and we're at the Arts District on Park Avenue, and there's a motorcycle show going on, so enjoy and come along with us. Alright, as you can see, there's loads of motorcycles here. Nothing like Bike Week in Daytona, but there's a lot of beautiful motorcycles. There's the Kelsey Theater. It's a nice little theater. They have nice shows in there. Programs playing tonight. Alright, they got some bikes in here too. Oh yeah, nice. These are some vintage bikes here. That's what it is. Very, very nice. Very nice. Yep. Got a video playing. We'll take a look at these bikes. This one's a little lighter for you. Like I said, this is a nice little theater. What? Nice. All right, so I'm inside the Kelsey Theater and I'm with Dan, and Dan's going to tell us all about what's going on today.
Hey ladies and gents, I'm Dan. I'm the president of Vintage Iron Club. Me and Bob Gilbert from Bob's British Bikes put on this festival, if you will call it that. So we have vintage bikes here all day, 25 years or older. We have a rare bike concourse show that you can see behind us here. Lots of one-off, very rare bikes. We do this whole thing for charity. It's all for KelseyCares.org.
Well, I'll tell you, I've only been here a few minutes. I saw some of the bikes, and you got a great motorcycle show going on.
I appreciate it, brother.
Rickman. I said I've never heard of the Rickman. Oh. I'll do a nice one right here. Wow. Another one. Very cool. Very, very cool. Alright, we'll go back outside. Alright, go back outside. And we're back now. And now, my God, look at all these bikes. If you get up, I'm walking around. Unbelievable.
We got here early. There was like no one here.
A beautiful mural on the building. So what do you think about the show so far?
It's great. It's a great show.
Yeah, good. Well, as you can see, there's a lot of bikes here. Like this orange one. What do you think? But take a look at them. So what do you guys think about the motorcycle show?
Beautiful.
Amazing.
God bless you, brother. Nice. I tell you, that's nice having a tribute to the United States Army right on your bike. Wow. It's like a rocket ship. Take a look at this. Look at this. So are these street bikes. Beautiful. Really, really nice. Look at this. Nice. One Harley is nicer than the other. I love a trike. I'll tell you. Really, I'd like to get one. Very, very nice. So you made it.
I did.
So how far did you come down from to get here?
Tampa, Florida.
Tampa? You came all the way from Tampa?
Yeah.
How was the ride?
It was nice. Very good.
Well, you're going to enjoy it.
Yeah, I'm gonna enjoy going back to.
unbelievable.
Yeah, I know. Perfect day for a tea.
Here comes another bike coming in. Looking for a place to park. So anyway, I'm here with two members of the St. Michael's Legion, and that's a law enforcement motorcycle club. Can you tell us all about it? What's your name?
Sure. I'm Toon. I'm the president of the Palm Beach chapter. This is Dryfire. He's one of our members. It's a law enforcement motorcycle club. We take in members of military, retired LE, retired military, fire rescue, paramedic, first responders. Do a lot of charitable events, donations. Basically come out, ride, bunch of good guys, and no drama. Love riding.
Sounds like a great club.
Yeah, absolutely.
Real good group of guys.
Stay safe, all right?
Absolutely.
Hi, your names?
Joe and Donna, Timney,
Where you from?
Stewart.
So what do you think of the Vintage Iron Motorcycle Show?
Best motorcycle show I've ever been to, and I've been to a lot up and down the East Coast. It's a great
Bitching
show.
is the word, bitching.
You gonna buy something today or you have something?
We have
We
plenty.
have too many.
What do you have?
We have Harley Dresser. Donna has a Road King. Donna has a Hayabusa that's geared to go 228 on the soft flats. I've got a Turbo Hayabusa that'll go 250 in a mile. And we have a 1000 Cafe Racer.
Very cool. Very cool. So anyway, I'm here with Jesse, and Jesse's the owner of Vintage.
Cool, yeah.
Tell us
this
all
is-
about it.
Oh, awesome. My name's Jesse. I'm the owner of Kelsey Vintage Goods. We're here in downtown Lake Park, and we do a lot of real fun nostalgia stuff. As you can see behind me, we've got lots of signs. There's pinball machines. We do a ton of old records. Just really cool, fun stuff that make people happy.
Well, I'll tell you, you got a big crowd today with this
Oh,
motorcycle
yeah.
show, huh?
Vintage Iron Club is producing this vintage motorcycle show, and there's thousands of people. I mean, it's just been great. So we've got a full store now. It's been full since we opened, and hopefully we'll have a great day of eyeballs checking out some stuff.
Well, you got a great shop, and I found the Boston Red Sox pin, and I appreciate it.
Nice. All right, go Red Sox.
Well, I'll tell you, there you have it. This is a fantastic motorcycle festival show. Iron Vintage is one of the best shows I've ever been to.